But for now, winter is still trying to hold on for some of you. Todd, over to you.
That's amazing, too, because baseball begins this week, too. Regular season. Now, let's take a look at Oklahoma City, the tower cam right now. Everything is looking fine if you happen to be out and about or thinking to be out and about for the lunchtime hour coming up. But, boy, we could be in for some issues on the way back home from work or school later on today. Severe storms expected to fire up today, big hailers, and could even be dealing with some isolated tornadoes out there as well. Let's take a look at the thunderstorm forecast for today. Again, the hail anywhere expected, and it could be quite large, anywhere from Tulsa over to Oklahoma City, down as far south as San Angelo. And I do expect this to be an issue in terms of not only the large hail, but some spin-ups could possibly happen. We do have a torcon today of 3 in north, central, and west Texas. That means a 30% chance for a tornado within 50 miles of any one of these areas here. So we have quite a large area that we're going to be concerned about in terms of the tornado threat today. So we're not quite done yet. Things relatively quiet right now, but that will not be the case as we head through the afternoon. Watch how these storms are going to start firing up, and really could be anywhere from that Oklahoma City line over to Abilene. And notice as we keep feeding into the day, it keeps hitting the same regions over. So in addition, with the severe storm threat, we can also be looking at some flood threats out here as well, because we're going to have line after line after line of thunderstorms that could pack some heavy rainfall, as well as that severe storm threat. Notice how a lot of rain, a lot of thunderstorms will continue to push farther into eastern Oklahoma. And here we are overnight. Big threat here as well. So when you're going to bed tonight, make sure you definitely have the NOAA weather radio up and running. We could see showers and storms that could reach severe status later on tonight. Now for tomorrow, that line extends a little farther to the south and east. That's that cold front. So now we're including places like Austin, a good chunk of the I-35 corridor in central Texas, and all the way up into northwestern Louisiana and even southwestern Arkansas. And then for your Wednesday, we're talking more of the I-45 corridor between Dallas and Houston. So San Antonio, Austin, Houston could all be under the risk for severe storms on Wednesday. It's a very slow-moving system. That is why we have that flood threat out there. So Oklahoma City, showers and storms tonight, particularly for the afternoon and evening. Watch out for the overnight. Look at how much cooler it is tomorrow. We're going to talk more about that after your local on the 8s.